Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a awesome and creative footer using HTML and CSS. So here is our demo example. So first there is CTA part or call to action, and at the bottom there is footer part with a few column like about us, links, open hours, contact us, and lastly there is a copyright text and footer menu. So this is our example. So we will try to make like this exactly like as it is. So let's start. So for making this section, I already create a folder with few files. So first is index.html. So as this site needs few font icon, so I already add CDN part font 6 version and add style.css with few common code like margin, padding, box sizing, and we load a font family which is Poppins font and image, a basic code, UL, body, container. That's it. So we make our work more faster. Hopefully you understand about this code. So already I open this file here. So first we make our CTA part like this, and make sure here we add a class container. So we container with this element 70 pixel and margin 0 auto. Okay, fine. So go to index.html, first create a section, section name like subscribe area. Inside subscribe area I add a container for box shape. Okay, then add again class subscribe, and inside subscribe we need few text. So first in this title, okay, copy this line and add a h4 and paste here. Then need subheading this line, okay, copy this line and after h4 just paste here. Okay, and we need a form. So we know first to write a form tag. So inside form just add hash. Okay, we first add input which type text, okay, and placeholder like your email. Okay, after this another input, okay, input type submit, value like subscribe. Okay, so this is our subscribe area markup. So first we complete this CSS part. So go to our browser and refresh the page. So this is our output. Okay, so first we use live coding, so it will be easily understandable. So first we subscribe, select this class, and here when click plus icon, so class will be appear here. Okay, fine. So first I write a border like 3 pixel solid. So our color is FF660E. Okay, border radius like 40 pixel, and text align like center, padding like 60 pixel 0 for now. Add a margin top like 50 pixel. Will increase or 100. Okay, 90. Okay, fine, perfect. Now this part. So after inside subscribe, then h4. Okay, subscribe space h4, text transform uppercase, font size like 35 pixel. Okay, then subscribe inside p. So first we add font style italic, margin bottom like 30 pixel. Okay, fine. Now this part. So inside subscribe form, and inside form there is an input tag. Okay, fine. So we can add subscribe and then add input, common input, right with 100%. So beside this we add a minimum width for this form. So inside subscribe from min width, max width like 800 pixel, margin 0 auto, position relative. Okay, fine. Then input just add padding like 40 pixel, 14 or 20 pixel. Okay, border 0, background color like F4 F4 F4. Okay, and then add border radius like 10 pixel. Okay, now this turn this out a button. So our button is we increase a font size, like font size 20 pixel. Okay, fine. Okay, copy this line. So which input type is submit. So we can how to trigger this third bracket. Inside third bracket, just write type equal to submit. Okay, first write position absolute, right 0, top 0, width auto, background color like #ff 660E. Okay, color #FFF, text transform uppercase. Okay, cursor pointer, increase padding like top bottom 20 pixel, left right 40 pixel. Okay, hopefully it's okay now. So our space is not equal, so I adjust for space. So here 60 pixel 0, just add 80 pixel, sorry, 80 pixel. Okay, now space look equal now. So our subscribe part is okay now. So I click on inline part. So all code copy and paste inside the standard.css. Just paste here now. Save. Okay, so this part is okay now. So our next part is our footer part. So basically footer has two part. One is footer with background image and other is solid background color. So we need to divide it two part. So back to again editor, sorry, index.html. After section I add another footer section, footer, which is footer area. Okay, so first write container, then footer. Inside footer we add single 4 columns, so just write single footer. Okay, so inside single footer I write about a heading about us. Then we need few paragraph, so copy from here those lines. Okay, fine, and here paste here. And now we need few social icon. So how can found this? So go to fontawesome.com. So and look here, already I added Fonta CDN, Fonta 6 PDM part, so you don't need to load again. So we just add font and it appear in front side. So we are here Fontasum 6. Just click on icons. So first we need Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay, fine. So just write here Facebook. Okay, Facebook and click search. So our first icon will be appear here. This is our icon. We use this icon. Click here and copy. Okay, fine. So after p tag, we add another like footer social and write A. So just paste this icon and then another A, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 3. Okay, fine. Then we need Twitter icon, just write Twitter. So this need this icon. Okay, click and copy and paste here. Then we need our LinkedIn icon. LinkedIn we can use this icon. Okay, and finally we need our YouTube icon. YouTube icon, we can use this icon. Copy, click and copy and just paste here. So if you refresh the page and so here our this part is already appear here. Okay, icon color already added white color, that's why it show here white. If you check our standard CSS and look here, all a color turn to white. So don't worry, our icon already appear here, so it's fine. Now second part, so after single footer we add another class, same single footer. Inside single footer we add h4 like quick links. Okay, inside quick links we need ul, then li, and then a. So we need 5 links, so just paste 2, 3, 4, 5. So first is our home, about, then services, blog, and finally contact. And we need an icon, so we can just search here caret icon, caret, caret. So we need this icon. Okay, fine, and copy and just paste here and add a space, paste, add a space, paste, space. Okay, and finally here, so we need a space here. Okay, fine. So second column is done. Now we need third column, which is our opening hours. So I just copy those lines for work more easy. So after single footer, so just write single footer, just add h4, opening hours. So this is as no link, so just add li. So, okay, we said before, after li, just paste here. So we need 1, 2, 3, 6 lines. So copy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just one by one paste here. Now this one, then Wednesday. Those are all our demo purpose. You can change all text or image, everything as you wish. It is nothing serious issue or difficult task. Okay, fine. So we need icon. So copy all icon here and just paste before all the text. So if you want other icon, you can choose font size and change here. Finally, we need our contact as column. So just write single footer, just write h4, contact us. Okay, fine. So we add ul, li, a. Okay, fine. Nothing. Okay. So we have 4 address. So just 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again, copy from text here. Just paste here. So first is our address. Then our this part, then this part, and finally this part. So we need a social icon for every list. So first is our map marker. So just here write map. So our first will be map icon will be show here. We use this icon. Copy and paste here. Then we need our font icon. Font. We can use this icon. Okay, fine. Again paste here. Then we need envelope or message type icon. We just write envelope. We will this icon, copy and paste here. And finally we need a globe icon, which means our web address. Globe, we can use this icon. Okay, fine. Copy and paste here. So our markup is done. So we back to our browser and refresh. Okay, all are appear here. So here we add a background image. So already I collected image. Inside image, which called footer.jpg. Here is our example image. Okay, so image is situated inside the image ing folder. So okay, so here first I inspect here. Our master parent is footer class, footer area. Okay, our classes appear here. Just write background image, background image URL, single quotation, img/footer.jpg. Okay, image is show here. Fine. Just write background size, cover, background position, center, then position relative, jindex2 color hash triple F. Okay, now we need a overlay up on the image. So already I add position ready. Fine, copy this class and again new class and paste here, add before pseudo element. So first write content blank, position absolute with 100%, height 100%, then left 0, top 0, background color like hash 333, opacity like 0.9, z index -1. Okay, fine, it looks more okay now. So okay, first I copy this here, something maybe problem. Okay, copy all the line again. If I need to refresh the page. So I before refresh I save which code already written. So again refresh the page. Okay, maybe slow net or something. Okay, it's fine now. So maybe due to slow net it don't show here. Okay, no problem. So finally it happened here. Okay, so here footer area I can use few padding like top 80 pixel, bottom 0. Sorry, top bottom 80, left right 0. So here I have few spaces. Okay, fine. So first we need 4 column. So we can do easily using flexbox. So first write footer class and just here write display flex, justify content space between. Okay, fine. So we need space, extra space. So just here write a single footer and child 1 flex basis like 30%, 30 or 33%. Okay, fine, that's okay. Now our turn this part. Okay, fine. So single footer h4. So first we write single footer h4 text transform, capitalize, font size 22 pixel. Okay, position relative, and then we need a border bottom. So we can easily before or after using. So first write content, then position absolute width like 20 pixel, height 2 pixel, background color hash ff660e, we increase width like 30 pixel or 40 is perfect. Okay, just add bottom 0. So in the parent h4 we can add margin bottom like 30 pixel, padding bottom like 20 pixel. Okay, 20 or 10, and margin bottom 20 is perfect, I think. Okay, fine, this is okay now. Now our turn this part. So this is our footer social. So first I add a margin top like 30 pixel, 30. Okay, 20 perfect. Okay, 20 is perfect. Okay, then footer social a, border 1 pixel solid, hash fff, width like 30 pixel, height 30 pixel, display inline block, text align center, line height 30 pixel, border radius like 50%, margin right like 10 pixel. Okay, fine. So we need to add Hoover effect. So first we can easily just add footer social effect, Hoover, background color like hash ff660e. So background color change, but border color not change. So we can add again border color when Hoover, border color color hash ff660e. So it's perfectly okay now. So this part is okay. So now this part turn to. So here is just inspect on this. parent single footer ul li. Okay, fine, single footer ul, then li, copy this line, and then a. Text transform, capitalize, font size like 17 pixel, 17, okay, 17 pixel. Okay, so we don't a because we can li, so this will be already changeable. And we can add border bottom, like border bottom 1 pixel dash. We can add like hash 999. Okay, 99 perfect. Or we can something black type color. Okay, we can change. Okay, fine. Now we add margin bottom 10 pixel, padding bottom 10 pixel. Fine. So we don't need last border bottom or space, so we can copy this line, add last child, margin bottom 0, padding bottom 0. Okay, fine. And again inside li we can just add just some margin right, like 5 pixel spaces. Okay, it's look more better now. Finally we need to add Hoover effect, so again click here plus. Inside lia we add Hoover, like color hash ff 660e, our theme color. So when move to color, so color will be changed and it is perfectly okay now. Okay, so our this part is okay now. So I click on inline, all code will be copy and paste our style.css. So refresh the page, hopefully all is okay now. Okay, so our final part is this part, footer part, so which is here, this part. So we need to add markup. So it is very easy, very simple part, this project. So after footer class we add another section like dot footer area, footer bottom area. Inside container just write footer bottom. So which class is this? Our footer area. Okay, fine, footer, this perfectly okay. And just here write copy. Inside copy I just add and copy 2022 all rights reserved. And fine. And after this we add footer menu, just add a like privacy policy, another a like terms and condition, and then lastly disclaimer. Okay, again copy this part. So this is appear here. So first we need to add a background color. So we add section footer bottom area, just add background color like hash 333, padding 20 pixel, 0, color hash 3FF. Okay, inside footer bottom I just add display flex, justify content space between, align items center. So first we need footer, copy p, text transform, capitalize. Okay, fine, that's okay. Now footer menu, so footer menu, inside footer menu a, text transform, capitalize, and then margin left 5 pixel, 5 or 10 pixel. Okay, and just need to add transition 0.3 years for Hoover effect, colon Hoover, color hash ff 660e. Okay, fine. So our this part is perfectly okay now. So again this copy this all the code and again paste here. Okay, so our another challenge is, so when this subscribe part have play upon this footer area, so I can do this very easily, no problem. So in the footer area we just add margin top like 0 pixel, 0, and just write z-index -1. Okay, -1 is perfect, I think. We can upon this part like 150. Okay, fine. And we now need padding top 0, bottom 80 pixel, and increase top part 160. 160 is perfectly okay now, I think. And this part, in subscribe part, we just add a background color like #FFF. Okay, so this part is adjustable now. So we can copy all the parts. So first subscribe line number 29. So line number 29, why is 29? This part. And lastly our footer part, change this this part to line number 71. So go to 71, this part. Okay, so our site is perfectly okay now. Everything is same to our example site. So our final part is responsive part. So when user move to any devices, so it will be must be responsive. So first I got to style CSS. So I need to write responsive code like all other video. Add media, only screen, and mean width. First width is our 992 pixel, and max max width 1200 pixel. Okay, so inside this part our container size will be like 970 pixel. Okay, so let's check. So refresh the page. So just I click Ctrl Shift M and click here from 1000 for checking point. Okay, so this part look like this. Okay, fine, but this part is very adjustable, so we can add spaces here. So we can add our single button. Okay, so we can just write our single footer container footer, single footer. So single footer we can add flex basis like 50%. This part we can add 50%. Single footer flex basis. Okay, we can opt this part. Okay, flex basis 50%, and we need to write display flex wrap. Okay, so before we must be ensure as we write display flex, so adjustable space, we must add display flex wrap. So it will be okay here, or adjustable. So it is automatically adjustable here. So I think this part is okay now. Okay, so now our next part is our tablet part. So again I copy this line. So this part is for mobile part. So this is our mid width 768 pixel and max is 991 pixel. So when 750 pixel. Okay, so this is part look like this. So we can here our font size 80 pixel, we can just write auto or 600 pixel. Okay, fine. So copy this line, paste here. We don't need to change this. And this part we can add 2 columns, so I can do this. So we can easily do this using single container, footer, single footer. So just single footer, we can add flex basis like 50% and margin bottom like 30 pixel. So this part look more okay now, and at the bottom this part is okay. So copy this line and again paste here. Okay, and finally we need to our mobile version, call 400 for checking mobile version. Okay, so we can add, copy this line for only skin, and we don't need min width, we only need max width. So max width will be 767 pixel, and container size will be like 350 pixel. Okay, and refresh the page. Okay, this look okay now, and here we can write max width 100%. Okay, margin 0, top bottom left right 20 pixel. Okay, so first we copy this line, and remove this part. Okay, so we don't need one-to-one, we separate part. So first we write input with 100%, input we write static, then we can add with 100%, margin top like 10 pixel, 10 or 15, so it look more nice. So copy those line and paste here. So we don't need those auto background color transform padding. Okay, so this part is perfectly okay now, and in this part we will add 1 column for every part 100%. So we just write flex basis 100%. Okay, and margin 30 pixel. So we can just paste here. Okay, we need to copy this line, single footer and child. Again refresh. Okay, this perfectly okay now. Okay, I can load it, no problem. And we need to check this part. So in this part we can adjustable this part top and this part bottom. So display bottom we can just write flex direction column. Okay, so column reverse, that's fine. Text align center. Okay, so copy this line and paste here. So center everything okay need, and this copy part P part we can add some margin top like 15 pixel. Okay, copy this line and paste here. Margin top 15 pixel, we don't need space this. Okay, capitalize this and form 15 pixel. Something problem. Okay, fine. And here we can remove few spaces like margin left, we can space, we can write 3 pixel and decrease font size like 15 pixel 14. Okay, and just write margin left save it. Okay, that perfectly okay. Now copy those line and before copy paste here. So this is our part. So part is fully responsive now. For everywhere, if I increase our device size, so this part is for another device. Okay, perfectly okay. Now increase some size, so this is for another device, and finally this is our desktop version. So this is our footer section with CTA part. We can, and at this part we add a link here, so we can add few part like for address we can add Google Map here. So if you want to font, so just write here tell colon this number. If you want email, so just copy your email and just write mail to. Okay, fine. So this is our class, so hopefully you enjoy it. So if you like it, please share and subscribe, and share with others who want to learn more about HTML CSS. So thank you very much. Stay well.